Thanks for tuning in and welcome to a special installment from Libertex. Today, we are going to explain what you need to know to start trading gold and how to maximize your results with this asset. Gold is an essential instrument of the financial system and has long been used as a safe haven asset. It does not corrode, it's widely used, and its reserves are small. Plus, gold retains the halo of real money, which sees an increase in interest whenever there is instability in the world economy. Furthermore, during a pandemic, gold has every reason to grow and provide security for traders in turbulent times. Recently, and for the first time in history, the value of gold crossed the $2,000 mark. The stable demand for gold is supported by most of the world's central banks. This is another confirmation that this asset is viewed by many as a profitable investment in difficult periods. With the decrease in the key rates of the central banks of the leading economies of the world, the rates on deposits in commercial banks also decrease. That is, as rates go down, fiat money depreciates, goods become more expensive, and ultimately, inflation rises. This is a major selling point for gold, as it is not subject to inflation. Wise investors know that at least 10% of a portfolio should be invested in gold or other precious metals. The main advantage of investing in gold includes it is a defensive asset, its universality, that is, whether in Russia or in South Africa, it will have its own intrinsic value relative to national money. And 3, over time, gold gradually rises in price. To put it simply, gold is an essential building block of a strong performing portfolio. Now, you can trade and invest in gold quickly and conveniently within the Libertex platform. But how can you do this with security during an unstable period? Buying at price highs or investing entire amounts at once are not very smart choices. The best trading tactic is to buy gold during pullbacks from previous price peaks. The amount to be invested should be divided into 3 or 4 equal parts. By implementing these tactics, you should see potential gains as the uptrend in gold continues to exert momentum due to the ongoing situation. Trade gold now by heading over to libertex.com or practice trading gold for free with a demo account. For the latest information concerning the markets and your trades, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for weekly content to strengthen your positions. Thanks for watching and see you next time.